we are looking at what is the meaning of this acronym known as MILF, or this is often said MILF. MILF is how you say it, so what does it mean? Well, the official definition is as a sexually attractive, perhaps a bit older woman, I mean not a very young one generally, typically one who has children. But what does the acronym MILF stand for? So this is more of a cruder way of saying it than the official definition, the more vulgar, perhaps, way of saying it. It means a mother, that's what the M is for. I'd like to F word, have sex with a mother. I'd like to F is the meaning of a MILF. And now you know. More videos here on how to pronounce more interesting acronyms and what they means, and more slang terms too. Make sure to stay tuned and have a look at those so you know how to say them properly and you understand them very well. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.